All right, so this is Hayden P's LMS Ultra that I finally got done. I think he paid me back in, I want to say fucking June, Jesus Christ, of last year. So it took a little bit, but we got it done. See, we did the milling. I made the mistake. I think I talked about this in another video where I had the boys tap it for 8mm by 1mm thread. And the standard is actually 1.25 as far as the thread goes. So I had to go to a special place to buy special hardware, and then this is the only hardware they had, and so then I had to modify the frame, and so took some extra work, but this is how it turned out, and it's beautiful. The TSPs are here. There we go. So of course that's in series. It's a dual 2 ohm variable wind coil with removable top, which is exactly what Hayden wanted, and he'll be blasting up his, I think he's using this in his car. So congratulations to Hayden, and be nice to one another. I'll do another video on Steve and Tony Baloney here this weekend. So I like to see the comments come in and see how things go a little bit. So anyways, happy Friday, everybody. I love you.